Mbappe will never leave Paris Saint-Germain this season. Paris Saint-Germain is a golden prison. When was the last time I want to say PSG are losing an important player, first team player, best player? And see that. Because your man is counting this kind of job. And to PSG cover Zlatan by, you know, Zlatan served all his contracts. PSG cover bless Madrid by at this peak, not big class panel, but I'm not now, and I'm not serving the contracts no year. At the same Cavani, I'm cover the buy, Waba, I'm an Abedre. So Mbappe out of Paris Saint-Germain, it is not the problem. But the problem, no, Kylian Mbappe, now, or per se, team, no, he's a Paris boy. And who say, I didn't obey him, who say, Neymar Bruno Superbre, and that is the reality. Neymar is a talented dribbler, but yeah, firepower. Abrante is on the path for who say, without Neymar, I have done it. So these are the meanings that you can read into the statement of Kylian Mbappe. In terms of age one after. This guy has a great future.
Last week Friday, and I'm the 2 year till for him say open transfer window back one. Even at that time, no, some of the stories nimpo by because over the weekend. I say after Madrid bomb game we no tia some as Danny can say Bill no cranking for substitution cry and confirm him game maybe. Very interesting. And you can see the big men at Real Madrid and Babon Tinja to just say Bibia clear say about defend Gareth Bale so be free team your friend Real Madrid because Zidane and Yabre one say and Yadu bit me branch and I so confirming the Bill story say Bill be free Madrid. But in Mbappe, the Super Bowl, no. I'm sure, say, I saw me can Friday, and 3 days later, I saw him, cramo. Because Mbappe so making himself available on the transfer market, and also, about the discussions near there. And, can I never plan, say, what's a transfer market, no? Yeah, can be, yeah, Junior players, no. Yes, there's the Coutinho aspect, there's the Hazard, Diano, there are James Rodriguez. From Bayern Munich on track. Obama Madrid and Obeko PSG, Chelsea be William, Man City be William, Manchester United be William, and Italian teams in Mukako fan. And I made mention of Amantefeni Cardi there, and also I mean Paul Pogba is also making himself available to team friend Real Madrid. So I be Jelen Finfio. But can I say coach is the so very interested in this particular transfer window. So I'm not saying. So already Barcelona here in the UEFA Champions League, and the coach Ernesto Valverde. Barcelona from penny for some of my coach that was why here Jumano and another story altogether. Over the week, last week more, and it was a Ronald Koeman. I could remember Barcelona for headquarters. Emma starting rumor said, when you Barcelona for Java Valverde choir, only coach I'm not a fan because after say Liverpool Barcelona film no. Coach now lose to dressing room. In the course of the game, we had the report that came out. Some of the players felt that coach the tactics are no more poor harmful no, and now they have Barcelona. And to come on their traditional possessive football. Our coach insisted say they will catch Liverpool on the counter. System now working. It's about players now internally or major coach no. The Barcelona bought 2 times in a row. Barcelona be doing Camp Nou. No matter what way you are going to film no. Almost relationship with the coach na Rocky kakra. The fans of Barcelona after that defeat, omo nyina channel blame no eko to coach in those days. And Barcelona coaching job no so no is available on the transfer market. And so Barcelona coaching job is available on the transfer market. A huge news to be discussed. Even big than some of the players everybody with him say I'm betting I make a transfer. And to coach Bernard, Barcelona for be take decision again next over the analysis of the tactics are coach in the neighbor. How promising is the coach in the caliber to say Barcelona for I'm the frustrated coach and I don't look out for the available coaches. It's a question that will be answered this particular transfer window season baby now Barcelona decided say Omoja Valverde choir. Juventus for cried their boom dada. I say we are seeing him say Allegri on. Now one is about Juve. That is also one aspect of it. Season it bury and I bury it. One ever. We have story about Cristiano Ronaldo sticking his neck out for Coach Efeni Jose Mourinho. First time I Juve for Pamela Leg, a friend of mine, Madame Free Friend. Every time I said, Mourinho Beko Juvana. Me catch and say no. The relationship between Mourinho and Juve, a rocky kakra, and yes, smooth. Even last season, Manchester United boy against Juventus. And your papa Papanekoye was stadium hono. Kin enya a good start. Some Mourinho co team say Juve. In some Mourinho and co Juve. And I see a really Mourinho outer. One end next coach of Abese Juventus or Juventus Juman. A bear Pochettino now. Because can ye can Pochettino's why expressing a disaster and you may be a Daniel Levin Musoya or Spurs Nenin John. They need to give him money. No co transfer market and co for players a cuckoo damumbra, no Messi Akana hospice. Into share Pochettino at this stage. And a Manchester United rumor no near linking it to. Even the Real Madrid job at some time near linking the Argentine to the Real Madrid job, no. So to me, kakra the Spurs, I could do UEFA Champions League now. He would be bigger than Team FN Hospice. Into about the side, which team will he probably move to? Obeko Juvana. And I say him fan Oko. Into Ken, we are talking about players, we are talking about movement. And me and Ramsey said, Mourinho saw the two and him somewhere around January said, yes, started pre-season now. Yes, but it's all the team be started pre-season.
Okay.
Ken wanted to make it. He made that statement said we should expect him to the team be started pre-season. We don't know as of now. Because Inter club Nenya Jemuso Posoko. I heard the Spalletti Suye and I can Inter forming Yaya, Combeja the Kwanama Kofo Fraba. There's the Nico Kovac issue at also Bayern Munich. Because Bayern from Penny Fonso Philly said, send a no names a coach never to turn your may a call of fast small Liverpool in free UEFA Champions League. Send even the Bundesliga or see Breya later or Samba signed Dortmund. I want to say, coach, moving forward. There's almost a So we are talking about players. We are talking about players. But I say the coaching aspect, and also there are several questions. I ask coach, no better than another one. After the other, I ask, will you move to some of the big clubs and now? Into the coaching aspect of the transfer, and so very, very interesting. But I can't remember the show is live on Facebook or so. 98.3 FM page and the sale.
Yeah, questions we bring. I just say coaches.
It's interesting.
Just say Juve. Okay. Most of our can't bring now.
Ain't bad. Yeah, can I mean Mr. Fuaka or Felimat Enterprise? I do. Yeah, mean sure. And I cobna Boateng and I like defender South Korea Mosuti. King Kakrano say Anna Mekono. Kylian Mbappe. Also, was 38 goals this season in all competitions. And now, Oba League 1 was 34. A long ago, and a French international, actually over 30 goals. Over the League 1. So, a true leveler, a Brighton to me a bedroom. In the way, best player, best young player, and all. Dingina show leveler with the dream. But one area, the man called for referee says, you only Lionel Messi fighting for the European Golden Boot. As to player, Lega Yebo Europe, no, watch your goals can see a power. Messi Asher 36 goals in 38 matches. Kylian Mbappe Asher 34 goals in 37. And the Kylian ever one game to play. And we had a French league now, results are course on clearly. So when beating Messi crowd, the possibilities will be to make quality Messi no. It to me So this is how far he has come in a star-studded PSG team, and nobody gave him that dog chance. Of course, he was a young player. Prospects nay great, but all Konanko for still ever doubt whether or not so be to me a shine here. In the whole of France, he's the best player. King said, we are best player of France, we are so free. But that is the harsh reality. Because we players on we are best of France, you know, be a free. Hazard your best of free, Benzema your best of free, be a free. And I'm about the mainstream Europe. I didn't say because about mainstream advantages near higher. And we check French football. The biggest name in French football is Mbappe, Antoine Griezmann. That is the reality. Because we check French football currently in the world, the biggest name for them is Griezmann. It is also because of where Griezmann is playing, the team he is playing, and the competition of finding himself in. It's Mbappe will leave eventually, and he will leave eventually, but it might not be this season or next season, but he will leave eventually. Because one, and also aspirations. Aspirations are one.
obetumi agye world best again or the future of French football and also the future of world football because with age you know say Paris too in your free already the possibilities of betumi abe take center stage now. But if Oba achieve this annual win, you can't achieve it in France currently. France crown more leg in a crown casa coefficient 2 no make cry protest they say 1.5. Inti the boy will eventually leave, but eventually Olivia and him na yesa woko. The yesa woko na simple any. Currently in the world, me were 6 players and few some way ahead of Mbappe. That is opinion. Lionel Messi 1, Cristiano Ronaldo 2, Antoine Griezmann 3, Neymar 4. Hazard 5, Mo Salah 6. Maybe me yisa players I mean sure so be heavy as Mbappe. Bemo Mbappe no ne Harry Kane and I'm doing moto one bracket. In England, Cristiano Ronaldo pay and to me Manchester are the best player in the world. It is currently in England days out beji. Uria Uko France warrior so your homeboy the end your way out because I want to make more energy. It is all continuous or best stay France as a dream no we are no wako Italy see I can't out. The way I Italy no my I just said no master and I Juve was so more bad than so boy Italy de bema. Germany cried and they send their way out because who be sorry and Robin or Becatro. Into the only destination they say is Spain. And they Spain now. It should be between the teams Barcelona, Real Madrid. It is as simple as that. Say 2 teams won in Spain or qua to realize his potential because even a young player he has come too far. But between teams we they likely say Mbappe will move. Dear Tine. Kylian half Algerian, half Cameroonian. It is similar to Fields. And what big time interest in the boy because I'll count any further. I'm manage boy in Yoma. Let me tell you the truth. I'm more offer Kylian Mbappe at my Barcelona. But the and say the wages any price money na Barcelona will not meet that demand. Until they agree say if that is the case, I plan the Ontina France now own develop it. It is all better I'm call World Cup no. Only Dembele no Titi HR picture. And what the better was say one day we'll all meet together. And we get one hint. And the second hint in the say currently no Ken. Say Neymar. A bad thing pass say Real Madrid Betis can be 200 million, 150 million somebody go for player.
I don't want fan Mbappe.
O say
I'm a fan Mbappe.
a bad thing.
Are
Also Madrid are signing Jovetic if BBI is true. And also Jovetic so bought the center forward no. It is a Jovetic corner a far. But so what I say, they have one. Mbappe so making it clear say even PSG and Cavani no member center forward. But emom elsewhere no akwa bi wo ho a enche so free ho. Luis Suarez. Enche so free on to more penny replacement. And a replacement no so no papa and with Griezmann's connection. Any Abidal connection as the sporting director. The friend connection is working. Inti Sa Suarez no so more permanent. Because they are Ben and Sani Oban or a big player and CM Queen.
okay.
Inti so munya big thing. Inti say about 150 million or 200 for Suarez successor. They will Barcelona will cover them. You can say Madrid is here. They are buying low profile players and the young players and they are pushing them together because Marcus Omono they are not in a haste. Say 2 years, 3 years or man champion, they know they will come back. But Barca the short term, the medium term, and the long term. So that is the possibility. Free there, so free France.
Oh, okay. Muscle. Even more time for transfers. And so been a muscle there, but Andy Fabi Brena.
Well, okay. So we're a fan of the Premier League. I was saying now it's a Pep Guardiola 5 players. Not just a Juan Augusto Obidi. Because nothing shows say Omube Buffett. And look at how Liverpool is stretching into the wire. Or just of vast experience and technical or brilliant. The players also were experienced. So on the field of play, a better thing so bet me a catch you. It is all 5 players. The focus should be in the Champions League there. But I don't think so the Pep that I know a bit pet and I said a benefit so be the second to receive bashing from these pundits or multi TV. So even at first about somebody and almost say normal and they are giving it all to Liverpool. Okay, so Manchester City team now. Let's look at the team. Say a GN Pep Guardiola decided to go in for 5 players. Already Yaka and you can't time and again say we a team now decided say top players. Now the following season, no man team and performing team top players. There is no way you are going to perform. You cannot compete in the modern game of football. Look at the Manchester City team on paper. So now checking the spine of the team. Okay, and it needs replacement. So what you want to go keep a friend Ederson Moraes free. Now check it almost center backs. They have company, they have Emerick Laporte, Omo Otamendi, and a John Stones. So she company in the last 4 games. Why is super? And what show consistency and vast experience in the final time? A team of Manchester City, a trophy against Leicester City, against Burnley, and their last game on boy. It will be our chair against Watford. I bet so. Why you need such particular player out there in defense? Okay, Odina Prim. And making sure say the defense only shaky or only presence, no, the physical presence. A very super for Manchester City team, no, and the back. 33 years. Until next season he will be 34. You need to manage him. Otamendi or 31. At this stage, it is not Otamendi mobile. If you want to compete for the EPL and the UEFA Champions League, it is not Otamendi. Because okay, on also yini. It's other so best and now bet naturally. John Stones is a young boy, a ball, no nimbo. But Ken, injuries and inconsistent performance at the back, you still need a centre back. And it's out checking Manchester City. The most consistent centre back in their team is that Laporte boy from France. Asa. Exactly, Pep Guardiola may miss a defender at the back, especially in the central defensive zone. Obi Obetimini Emerick Laporte for him to compete in the UEFA Champions League in the EPL. The number of goals I'm considering in the Champions League. And can some check teams are almost do the semi-final of the Champions League. Who consider 3 goals at home, ube free. So consider 3 goals at home. Again, it is obvious you go out. And check City. Consider 3 goals against Tottenham Hotspur. Obviously they were out. And watch how porous their defense were against Tottenham Hotspur in the Champions League. The marking, the movement, the decision making, and the anticipation at the back, and the proper organization. So who bought Champions League? That's the difference in this area. You cannot play in the semi-finals, in the finals of the Champions League. It's obviously he may need a standout defender. I'll bet him in a pair Laporte at the centre back. So we are back for her. No action and him. Just in front of the back four. Any partner on to dinner was say, 33 years. That is Fernandinho Rosa. Next year, Fernandinho will be 34. Honestly, one of the most consistent players for Manchester City in the last 5 years. Anytime Bia or Jim Biakin will be making yourself 100%. But at the age of 34, you need to also manage him. Iko Gundogan about the last 3 games at so also experience na ball no nimbo. But a Juma Obe Peter Fernandinho de Mau in the midfield of Manchester City, no, it is obvious. So Branty FN Ike Gundogan continue consistently on me fast haba. And honestly injury prone. So you may need a holder, a conventional holding midfielder to play in the position of Fernandinho in games, sir. At least Ube will say middle table teams. I want me. Ube to be used to the other teams to beat them. And then you manage Fernandinho for the Champions League or for the big games. So Manchester City need a holder. Last season they decided to go in for Fred. And I Fred by Manchester United. Tanguy Ndombele was another target for them. But it's so obvious saying Ndombele whether he will stay or he will join Juventus. In the Pep Guardiola Enyano. And if you need, definitely he may need a player that will set the tone for Pep Guardiola in midfield. So what you going to now Fernandinho Nima? Apart from to that touch and that stability, that shield and that protection from defense, no, almost game, no, and flow just like the presence on the field of play. It you may need a player, no one manage Fernandinho age, for top games in the Champions League and in the APL. Ken, the last place in midfield that may as well say you'll be secure, but Ken, my kind of time and again say, in any 3-man midfield, you need an intelligent player in the final third. So here they will silver. Can you know so in fear no or no swing me? So you may need a player out there to manage and manage him well for the Champions League and the EPL. It depends on the players again. So far as a baby Oduru here or Champions League enough. Now what the trouble in the EPL? Not still like Obia or Pepper Abaso. Obia say any enough because again for the first time England and Yenyetima what did that domestic treble? FA Cup, EFL, and then the English Premier League. But still, Obia say it is not enough. Meaning that the standard, the stage that Pep Guardiola didn't work with in recent times, and the kind of amount I was spending for Manchester City and the target for Manchester City is to perform well in the Champions League.
Okay.
It's the king. So we are Premier League fan. Now we are Liverpool ni, we are Chelsea ni, we are Manchester United ni, we are Tottenham Hotspur ni. Not that the Pep see stretching in the EPL. Now Santos will call for 5 players. Ken, and Yenny also winner. Obviously, you need to be sad.
Okay. Andy Medal say birthday boy. But I mean, a birthday no. So what's say?
Say me nana ba wona on so me hwe wonte ken.
So it is also what was that.
David, I no need mom kan. I no won ka safad na me se me ni be wi le.
Okay.
Mom kan.
Do and then I will go so.
Because
Birthday to other than already.
I know you.
me bo amanya da. The last one crab she wi. Ben na o tumi ni dia no.
But okay, you know.
Yeah.
That's going to be like.
You need January, okay? You need January. You need January.
Okay. It's birthday and then the birthday. As I'm going to be long. As I'm praying for to me every day. And it's I'm more than a castle one another. When it's I'm more than
And not too good to bar and say, it's a birthday bar. You what to
we didn't birthday. Okay. That's it. Where McDonald there or the fair, but I asked him no answer to one hour, no, say. Oh, test messages.
tonight.
Test messages. Now, also for but about my friend to as a passion Trinity Console Limited. Your Passion Trinity Console Limited. I'm going to go for 2 coin Europe, Asia, UAE, or more Edward Bako. What himself more offers for Union member. Or more Jordan Dubai and Bahrain. And Miniabao Krumana, Opa called Jordan Dubai, Bahrain, Koye Juma. Now, what we need to water for 3 miles or Omu Kanji Price Risk on the Tianum share, a Passion Trinity Consult Limited. Over to me from 0203 3000, I guess 700. 0303 3700 0303 3700 Passion Trinity Air Consult Limited. No more found 2 coin. Financial pharmaceuticals. I'm diabetes care support plan. No. Ekusudent and you know when you're sitting here. Will be when your diabetes is sitting here in Bibiano. Now, or the one they at some pain for us when as a whole never blow. Now, or the 185 Ghana never call. You have more 85 eco glucose strips. We are more 155 eco glucose commuter. You have more freezer life. And here non caloric street and I containing 300 tablets. And I've ever checked free lancet. Containing 100 lancets. When you said your financial main branch, your head office and no Ewaska Stadium scoreboard and you pay. We'll see a sit down for fair figure or any financial from wild quarters. So sometimes a beauty crunch and more. Palmo station if you also mean no attention or would do us for my baby or sounds a merry pharmacy or 4 p.m. A accident emergency unit telecom for no teaching hospital. Udo bend the chemist were do Lancer chemist. Our Dr. Mensa Lopeti pharmacy wa hojo and the pharmaceutical source be brave. For 0244 730 448 0244 730 448 first liner on sa ebeka empay for no. Na osafo me can CS dental consult. E de chere Ghana for ne. Na obi frɛ me bisa me say no ene dey. Na me say there be ho Kruma na nema ye. CS Dental Consult Limited. Omo the tongue brush ni be e dia ba. Me part o tekrema no so na nya brush na e de twitwi yes na no ade e twitwi. So so we nkofo tekrema so fita.
Omo the brush na twi so sa.
Ebasa where you cry into nkofo ya say.
Omo
the two ani ma ontere. Man you know man we hard. Na enu nya bia. Na tongue cleaner na enu mom na wo soro adopa. Wo di twi tekrema no di. Na ebe yi niam bebraba ma wo be ho. ansa na wapesti eno ebi abedwa so enti oko supermarket sawro san so na ba bi te say pharmaceutical shops no be pre okowa any dental clinics no obekwa na be pre enso ho share shops no nyina obekwa na bi ho enti mo we say CS Dental Consult Limited be pa to kwa o se adia o peton cleaner ni bi adia na ye de APC ye tekrema so for tekrema nko for 0279 10 5000 0279 10 5000 0279 10 5,000. Also,
King,
for quick and brand.
okay. King, and now after the game,
the game been okay.
Baba I supposed to do my son. Okay. About 12 a.m. Dr. Kwame Chi, Asuma, Sheshela. So Uncle Fred could seek a corner. Emra. Now, I'm be sending some back on me.
Sheshela been okay.
Yeah, Sheila, yeah, no call Tamale.
And also one as well.
Dr. Kwame Chi.
So Uncle Fred.
Uncle Fred seek a corner.
Sheshela.
I don't know home. It's a king. Uncle Fred, Coach Brian. And Dr. Kwame Chi beside the say. First 11 now. Almost starting game. On share the reason why it's here. We usually sell players. As starters, I will not give them. Because in the game now, because now who plays maybe in the coach seek a corner. In your daje. Actually, Dr. Kwame Chi as at 12 a.m. in a meeting.
Coach, I don't know then.
Say or more company hotel.
Oh, okay.
King, has a folk team in my day. Now tournament be by the coso. Accra. Now Mo Salah the agent no. Anderlecht agent. FC Barcelona omo agents. A lot of agents eba Accra Sports Stadium and Ra. Eba here has against Elmina Sharks. Now King William Denchi who player no. And Ra agents no were impressed.
Okay.
The performance. Benjamin Afutu Muchoni Dean Joseph Esso Muchoni Dean and Oman Manaf Oman ono so omo yeden omo chuo sa branch no ensusu din nti enche bia se obi ko try aso clubs amabobo edina kin mema enye no kin enen kese Black Star list na eba abonten ko James Kwesi apia ehunu doso dodo tim ne de amount say coach for list no ebra metiti bi say ahwe ne list na emma ebeba ida echina ana
Reasons is almost against you.
kid for me way mommy and na play say player we Bobby and then sa
Into my
on your boat o she Ghana for boss a Monday listen I feel by the same
Maybe I know.
why listen here
Coach.
na coach who yare for list more be na on type pick and internet as
So
well
no no.
yeah some okay into the coach na I see for rewura mu no o dey we why
Oh, William Denchi on.
yeah William
Brony Bia Obeba Nkre bi obefa no. You're more than left back.
yeah
And net ball aye ball. Omo na do omo botre. Sa na ball na omo ni.
pass manya japade pa
Obo na jira fa akodi obi Brony Bia won fa.
so mo bo
Sa omo ball ne sa no so Ghana coaches na kele o.
yeah
Omo
jira fa ko metwa
Mo
plot
bo a mo
metwa plot
Denchi de. Send down the head about the can once.
it's okay me some
Okay. Young nsem na but Maswa and Sasema na yen hwe nsem and again qualification also ayezo na ayeho na hwe kwasi apia de no national team no
ma memfa
Let's
qualification na
winning.
memfa
Okay.
the Eddie Kai Kotoko 21 points as good or 20 medium and 19 can among quality team or more chance on betumi a qualify and California in the omo out until last matches attention be war sa 3 teams we so memum de tini Kotoko ne aduane ekobo doma away na 11 wonders so any Asgold bebo ewo Techima na Mediama ewo Takwa no money Chelsea na ebo ken say oh her history bibia e koso obo mu Ghana na saa na wo de ka dia Doma e den makotokoto win Doma e den makotokoto win
But be na here points.
yeah they don't need it they need
points
it
in your way.
enye qualification in here but the pride say ya share kotoko pride say ya share aduana no so ye big time at stake nti bia anye say ombe win ya qualify no but yen aduana ya share kotoko because of the rivalry omakuma tom yam yen ti ne ya ma kotoko ankwa Africa omakuma tom yam era kotoko nso ya share aduana omakuma to yen ya ma aduana ankwa omakuma tom yam into omo it goes beyond just the results and say why ne here result why ne here result nti kotoko mfa ni bre enko so omo yes aduana en here results a ebe ha adwen it can dia me hwe ne say media ma de say ye po ye mpe o mbe Chelsea watakwa
Enti
because
media ma dia qualify.
media ma de omo akwale
Omo
qualification
media
no
ma sha ombeko 27.
ombeko 1922 22
Ombeko 22.
can be enough media ma say enough it be depending on the results with Kotoko and Asgold because Kotoko 21 the Kotoko pick it draw omo yi media ma ombe edge out media because of head to head because Kotoko we need 2 ha and on lusu 1
Enti yam for the Kotoko draw.
yeah omo yi
The media ma be bia Kotoko.
yeah say Kotoko draw omo yi media ma free
Okay.
well say omo no ke media ma nti omo 1 slot either first or second there omo dia
Okay.
good
Janas good.
Asgold there and say with 20 point a must win so Asgold en win wo ho a na Kotoko board draw mu 2 na beko because media ma beba 22 but Asgold win
Enti Asgold dia win o
win omo so qualify
Okay.
and na Kotoko so draw
qualify.
omo yi media ma nti omo so qualify
Enti Kotoko lusu. Na Asgold ko share.
aha
Na aduana sha. E just Kotoko so afi.
say Kotoko lose a they will still be 21 so Asgold en win a Asgold a qualify omo ko 23 media ma beba 22 enti media ma ne we be qualify so media ma win a omo ne Asgold
Na se Kotoko person mo qualify. No mo yesi.
they should get a draw at least.
Okay.
It is a draw ne bad there, they will qualify. Because a draw ne bad, no more 22. Now head to head, no be BT. Your friend is a medium. So what? Because 2-0 or 1-0 attack. And now Kotoko so a very good head to head record against even Asgold. And so almost mutu and almost lose 1 or bossy. Ain't it Asgold so almost a board draw. Now Kotoko lose, Kotoko still qualify with on head to head.
So mathematics here.
Yeah,
the corner matches.
Mr. Ultimate, yeah.
Find some team say
Asgold a board draw, Kotoko qualify. So they are yes.
Some media man Asgold games in the moment for money to so.
Aha. Eri Kotoko board draw na Asgold board draw. Kotoko AJ Asgold because of head to head. Eri Kotoko needs to get a draw from Doma. Now they should forget about the other one.
But game now.
But mom so mu lusu dia. The etini. E was say Asgold to lusu Kotoko be qualify. And as so mu lusu na Asgold so board draw Kotoko be qualify. Minim so what ma say ya.
Yes, I'm more board on my now. This almost uncle back. You say they on board.
Obo ha now about because say Asgold kin on ko board draw away a on be 21. Kotoko lusu on da so 21. Name mom head to head on be say BT Asgold.
The man you so much should go on the master.
Asem no nti bi on betumi abo goalless wo ha. Eti the air can na ne say Kotoko need to get a draw. Na omo ye safe and either first or second crown on be pick ya enye obi a case. Nemo media man win no. Eno so ye subject to ye fa say Kotoko so echo board draw. Na Asgold den win ya media man win kro monko.
Okay.
Because almost win on be 22 Kotoko draw 22 head to head on beat Asgold win ya 23 they are gone.
As a league in the last day.
I had papa. Na han na we say mpanimfo ne ye omo ye very careful.
I said the man game na say life.
Doma nkwa na mbra life ana. I don't know minim de ntia wa choose Doma de no. Because
say the man dey say life ana.
Eh teams akese mienu nti de me no be adwene. Me no be adwene.
Say teams no so.
Yeah, teams no so nti me no be adwene. Nti kin e ho no sa net ba oba south ne dia. Done and dusted Accra Hatto. Who's on the BBI brofo? Done and dusted Accra Hatto folk. If you say a Kim ball, maybe you say a Grant ball, meaning the Albefa. but Emom Hearts are qualified with 1 game to spare. This is how far Accra House of Folk have come.
Okay.
Because House with 28 points.
Okay.
The game no be irrelevant. Olusu Kras will be pick top spot. Karela be the second, I can assure you. When they are me pay no more. Oh, on Bedi. The ain't on Bedi second. Yeah. I want dream. Dreams are way the way. And Karela no kin, omo here scan bad I had into no money abreno. Karela with 24 points no. Ken, team are obey to me up challenge the Liberty 22. The Liberty winning on Beko 25, but Karela playing at home against Dreams no. At least the draw no will be picked to get to 25. Into Karela, into House of Folk agent at her home. So more defense into wow be the second be Abeko House of. You see I am more home and away a home pay. 1 match into the obedi first be home second wa we. Na Karela and so no almost jina away on pay team be akon home. Think a bomb pie say House and Kotoko.
First and second.
Asia.
Okay.
Aha, nanke say yeah enye.
Yeah. Still now you should know that's your life for Silver FM page and the sale by the champion page. Can my starting free southern sector like now me maybe you are say. Can so shad yeah, I think say yeah book him grant abaso. But the degree of abaso body no here no. Something bien you me one abetia see. With me active you get a clear picture of design up papa na yama hearts. Ubehu ni can I me pick it from 3 seasons ago? Nana Medeba. From that season, Wow Stars say that was the 2015-2016 season. Can in that season, Hearts of Folk we need 12 games out of 30 matches. And you can say I can see a fine win percentage near 40%. And Ken in exams 40% you fail. So the win percentage of Hearts of Folk when Wow Stars won the league in 2015-2016 season was 40%. That was Hearts of Folk win percentage. Can say movie. Now overshare the next season. After that one, the Adriana Stars and so on. Hearts of Folk saying we need 12 matches out of 30. If you have saying the same 40% win percentage out of 100, 40% and a movie, which is still left. Now, can we share last season? Yeah, nah, case now difficult because last season House of Folk bought 14 matches. No more 1 game and some more because of before Sanas issue, remember that was against Adriana Stars. Now, Adriana Stars, Africa. Into that match was an outstanding game. Into a ball first man and Sanas issue ban. Now House of Folk about 14 matches. Some 14 matches are not has about no more winning 4. Into some 4 so we calculate win percentage. Now 28%. 28% of matches are House of Folk born last season. And I'm winning. So tries I'm not 28. That's a one wide pa. So look at House of Folk. 40%, 28%. But this season, social Hearts of Folk. Out of 30 matches are coaching about, we need 9. And can win percentage, is 69.5. Would bet you are running in 70%. Win percentage, 69.5. Who bet you are running up, 70%. Into Ken, in close to 10 years. Hearts of Folk season the highest win percentage this season. And can I say coach you a club winning percentage from 28% and about 70% and yeah you market what from 28 to 70%.
Kim Grant.
From
28 to 70.
28% to 70%. And can last season create ball 14-15 matches win. Team Onya winning matches this year was 8. Midiama winning 8. Ashgold winning 8. Kim Grant winning 9 in 13. 9 in 13. And the last season, he has won more games than the ball last season. First one, they know that top boy. That is 15 games. But not about 13 or that top. So can and
the more winning away games.
Yeah, they are Kim Grant. You man say funny say. House of Folk team there that one and yet project and no more building no be take over. Can on set here for be kaya. Has lusu Karela yusu Elmina Sharks. Me can't say be House of supporters. So we now go three. And I'm a baby ball. The number of years our players in the Atlanta House of Folk. Can Sauber Wafa now a champion a different from Hearts of Folk. So Elmina Sharks now a champion a different from Hearts of Folk. Hearts of Folk mostly I find is a first season adaptation. And so coach for players bear 5. And the red team now first season. Now about adaptation ponia. Then the future is very, very bright for Hearts of Folk. Because Richmond are in the first season here. So Aminu Mohammed. On the first season after so few after by. We share Benjamin Efutu. We share Manaf Omar. Now here Michelle Sapona. These 5 players have been key in Hearts of Folk starting 11. No? I say other ones Kofiko Zimoba. But 5 we I am rantia for Franklin. So 5 we no. Mienu free wafa. 2 so free Hearts of Folk hours now. They don't have any Premier League experience under their belt. So look at the win percentage. Now players now coach in the almost yes edgeman. It should tell you. Maybe sounds a coach in Ankasa Crown or by Hearts were this thing. This is first season. Into the first season, no are picking young players, a big Premier League experience. No, they are making Hearts of Folk best winning record in the last 10 years. Can I hear about 4 years ago, Hearts Ball League winning every year. No man had 10 wins. 10. Now the season has Komoko relegation now. 40 points. The same with Heart of Lions New Olympics. But head to head my House of Folk League. You know. No way. That was in 30 matches. House of Folk we need 10. But we have 13 winning 9. Look at the transformation. In the last game, Crowinia. Next season 30 matches House of Folk boy where equal the number of wins a House of Folk now. So with Ken Grant, I think that we once again tell the House of Folk fans, even if the House in Po and me and JNC Cantish the future is very, very bright for Hearts of Folk. The amount of money invested in the players, no so effect. And your players are breaking bank. These are players relatively cheap. And all this team no. So with Kim Grant, his tactics, his handprint is on the House of Folk team, and that plus should be very, very high. Can you no cranny back up? I'm not going to do Ken Mediama are relatively winning all their home matches. I've go to Swire said Jumana Kakotoko Assembly Kianka. If Como say Bichimwaha. That draw against Bichim, and then the Kotokabe drew baby or medru. And the more beer and farm mathematics is simple. It might look very simple. I bet it may look very, very simple. But find the side grow. But it's scary.
The amount of phone is simple.
No, they are still. No. Ediana stand a chance of qualifying to the Confederations Cup. And I cannot help. Yeah, the 4 teams from Haneha. Near the Akokan lower teams, no. Near the pre-Confederations Cup from round of 32.
Oh, okay.
And Ediana with 16 points. Bechem 11 wonders bet me a punish him. And until 11 wonders check Ediana and any board drew over this weekend. Because 11 wonders so air fight so bet me a room. The same way Bechem so bet me a room. So Ediana are unqualified. And they still have something to fight for.
That's the Confederation.
Yes. Fenoso don't change. They have these issues with Kotoko. I almost feel say someone a better club after Kotoko Africa. Yeah, Mamun qualify for Champions League. They would love to do that and destabilize the Kotoko team. I know the joy ever bro. And I know many Gabi Kasa on the commentary show. It be sounds then the Diana players maker after so move free. I'm comment here back up. I'm say punish Kotoko. That was what he said after the game on Kranza. And the other players they said the only thing I am is some punish Kotoko. And with Mediama, the permutations no only with Mediama because Mediama na or no we need in the future sending them. But as good we need on show the Kotoko game. The only other advantage for Kotoko or better head to head than 2 teams on your mopre. Yeah. That is Mediama and as good. But honestly speaking, Senka Kotokochi Bechem United Senwa. Which they should have known said Okonya win against 11 Wonders. Now we not draw against Bekum Chelsea. Now we say not draw against Bechema. with 5 points the only year your home no over qualify. The calculation was clear. With 5 away points, all you needed was your home. So honestly speaking, CK should vary his tactics. No check, but enough motivation. Sonny Akuba, credit to him, has come back sweet. Say Otiminya go. Nana mention the second goal. Send Yosifa Yiri Mediama player no finfi hono. The pressing no the quadrille ball. I was now passing and come on passing when now. Or say yes, I saw a sacrifice runner. Aguero ye be maybe a chum against Manchester United na mekan. Say on no a player nya ball ni kuta no will be ho. But o to kwan o to Lukaku space so a defender how do any better. Now ma other striker enough space to convert the ball. O to Lukaku the other wings. Now Mediama players now divided attention. So Sonny Akuba once again are announcing the president. But can you say he must 2 games on Bobby?
Say Honsemba.
Yeah, he must have been on the bench in the last 2 games.
And the analysis no you mean but it's just that more in the games in the binti. Okay. Gary back here we dey kakra me na birthday boy ba.
Yeah. And a special day man so Fatah Safiu for me is the best player of the tournament competition here Bono. Kotoko 13 goals no no kwa shemu 8.
Kotoko 13 no kwa 8.
Yeah. No Kotoko player na share more than 1 goal apart from Fatah Safiu. Omo maka in 1-1-1-1. It means Kotoko attack no goals is concentrated around Fatah Safiu. Because we need 8 if you have 5 now can here Abbas Mohammed, you have Ismail Ganiu, Emmanuel Jenfi, and so Ashebi, Sonia Yakuba, and Ivan Ousu. These are the 5 different players outside Fatah Safiu. Yeah, so that's the problem of Kotoko Ankasa. Competition we need now. So no a bad day. It's difficult for Kotoko to score. And if you don't score, you won't win. And now Kotoko you lucky so Munya Yakuba. Without Yakuba, come to win the game. Because it is the bad performance, bad day for Fatah Safiu. Oba Kotoko in because the game winner, I mean, one shot down ball. He was not the real man. Until Yakuba no Kotoko nyane into the second half. No one say yes. I need no know why papa. So if you 2 goals in and overall the game out nyane at the mass ante Kotoko. So Fatah Safiu ni goals now wash and Adeba Kope the catch. It's just a Kotoko team ne kitan say no it's in a nice one. But that is not to say Kotoko team no Swane Yakuba I maintain he's the most effective player all round player and all the other side they against Mediama o man nyana come to me win the game no na Kotoko nya win at all cost not the beauty of the game because na Kotoko nya win anka is all over. Say game when I call the way I call table na call attention na call doma na sa particular game we know. Yes, we can between United Kotoko share, but that's the real sign of football here. What drop points in it? No, we need. And they say, "Baby, I could do say Kotoko. Ebe call doma. No, ma search for qualification. And difficult, Emma and Kotoko, but it is not impossible."
Kotoko nya draw Domada.
Yes.
Oma draw 1 game or Domada.
But we need that.
The last time I'm call.
Yes, 0-0.
0-0.
Yeah.
But there's something here draw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enti se o de o kai se Kotoko yin se go wo e na Kotoko winning wo.
There's something here go, here draw.
There was always the first time. There is always the first time. Kotoko can go there and beat them. Because Abiana Stars ne form no nye. They are struggling. Enti se your time bi as Kotoko betima say yes. Obetima kwa bibi odoma. This is the time. No money bring no call. A difficult venue, but Adriana Stars are also not on a good standard. So as good for draw odoma, isn't it? Yeah, medium and cover point or cover point or. So it's not beyond Kotoko. Oma hon this one to me ko en konko wini. On betimi akwa ko wini en ho. Has to focus and be main concentration. See, has to focus. I don't know my no. I'm one person. I'm not surprising me. Like me do want me I don't understand. Say has to focus. Who thought say in last match and has to focus be resting the place. They say na Kim Grant so be.
You say has a do
Ah,
stage.
what do stage or
I'm
resting in
resting
place?
players.
Ah, no them cranabo. Only dreams FC.
Where's 7 months ago? No more deal. There's almost rest almost players. All players.
Time changes.
Oh, we're resting players. We qualify.
That's an issue.
And yes, she. Go on, as it. We are qualified that. We are brought 28 points from 13 matches. Into opinion why there. Now football they be can be beforehand nobody is great. The obey and obey great. Jose Mourinho no Pep Guardiola die e boy e ade o maye. And e dey bomb din. So wonye hwe wonnya din no. You cannot be great. It is a Kim Grant e to so say ya. Me gidi say ono so ni save no mu be fe yie. In fact, any goals na ha se hye no. Let's put that aside. The way I almost bow to say heart no the desire. That's me tetini na sana we me din him has. The good days of Kotoko. Sana e din him. Ultimus say players with heart and desire. Ready to wet the jersey. And if na mi who has of folk no. All of a sudden, and it just open you know abodjuma. Who say coach on mobile ni bio. Coach who say team ni wi a. Ye kwa akoma agupama no so a. E team no. So wo ba wini a e gina team na kasa players no so. E wa agupama no so. So how to get the best from your players no. And then the difficult aspect of every coach. And yet 4-3-3 will be decided. Ni 4-2-2 not influence of a coach and tactics. It was very little influence if a team would win a game. But baby, influence can one the motivation aspect. How to push the players, always push them to the limit. And this is always Pep Guardiola. Check the way I also hear the team no. Check Jose Mourinho. I send you a catch-all. Rather than American book be Jose Mourinho as some catch-all in the place in Inter Milan 2010 Champions League final. Ujaima eto kasanche place no. You see, that was the trick. Why you big match do on Bayern Munich because eto ko kasanche ultimate. Because what the Champions League leader. You have to be always smart. And take him grant by and nyoma ba ko mienu bi. Patron no kind in report na fine training ground. Yes, odi kind by. The way the intensity has of folk training intensity. House of folk players in the way train or Mokotina Bass, maybe Musu say, ah, open training at Dindodo. Like they are burning out. Yes, it was a worry. But me did say, sir, training or do a formuno, and on a house of folk in Yasun's and so on. And can you know we will not come the situation there? You're going to the last match. Ah, Kotoko here must win. On to me, benchy players or Doma. Medium and to me yet, as God into me yet. But house of folk relaxed. Say Kim Grant so prepare for the semi-finals no. Say so Chen will be champ go no atop. Say ha chokotoko na bebo. Say medium o say Ashgold na bebo on wo Chen. And to unveil the last game on bebo against Dream Sets, you know, because they don't have the French players, the young players to play. Now lastly, this normalization competition are very interesting. But at the back I tarnish the reputation of the competition, disgrace and the bribery scandal. Yes.
Yeah, for sure. But that's it. Gary Bayer. Okay. Any?
Okay.
Bracket.
Well, on House of Folk. I did back I'm happy they my House of Folk team is first of all. Omo make sure say omo home what there, omo why invincible for anything. House I miss it in the last 5 seasons. Oko Accra, wow start to me cause so has no 3. Wait me back last posted the northern at level. But this particular competition, you know my stand. Maybe say my stand is I'll start measuring house in the semis. But from baby I'm say King Grant in the mountain at class posted you dear. We never do honor only chance. But it's so clear. It in any big team. Say home acquired the hoa, Obia Beshaw to Real Madrid in there, Manchester United in there. Look at Liverpool and Manchester City and Barcelona. They are home. The moment I'll be drawn on, already be so say you are coming to lose. In any big team, the better days of fast folk, San and Akrati. One was a coaching house and my coaches to 4 battalions at the class stadium. Obviously, your best should be a draw. And on a house, see, baby, or Madron. Or man making sure say, oh, Bawa, or Modo 2 level. I'm one who say, no size, no. In Tisha Carella. Shelmina Shas, she Interlies, and all those teams are almost that particular wafa. Almost do almost to almost level. I'm a woman who say, wafa say almost dear, but you a crowd, yeah. Ken, serious team don't just lose at home. Shabe Diama Sporting Club. Shawasi Ashanti Good. At home, Ken. As good in the last 3 games, match 8 goals at home. Last 3 games. It tells you how seriousness these teams are at their own backyard. The game is played at home. Ghana League na yebon, home na yebon. Few games in a way and you are good to go. Inti one thing I very positive for Hearts of Oak when they say, "Omo team we actually say omo what they over it is no go area." So whoever obeshia omo in the semis no, say oh bibie the Hearts of Oak no why you do home. But in Accra Sports Stadium and I can grant Ken, there is no way I'll be surviving. And I feel that is a plus for the Hearts of Oak team. The next thing I'm here impressed, it is not about goals. It is not just about performance. But kids, how they why advocate that? Your coach is written be on base be on the house on person who will be on number 6. Ken Grant is not like that. Meaning to have the team the power. Or your position or they are selecting a midfield. Or games or the Daniel Kodia ball. Or games or the Aminu ball. Or games or the Benjamin Futune ball. Or check opposition, the style of play, how opposition are drafting the system on the field of play. No, you are selecting a midfielders to mark them. Fortunately for him, what Tinyama Daniel Kodia form or the Free Liberty professional by last 3 seasons I was missing 2 years in Hearts of Oak. The boy is back to his best. Last season, I can't have been Kakodia as on heart view. Players and on person almost step out. Kodia was part of that team. But then the boy is back to his best. Because in the midfield, baby or didn't be on your results are from a branch and your position on yes, sorry, I don't go for Aminu Muhammad Nakobo 6. So on the game be obebia. Ken Yaka. So we have to folk now born in Interlies at home. You don't need a destroyer. No. Because a big team into one album containing game, no. I possess it. I push a game to the other opponent. And you don't need a destroyer or be about to try. The moment you pick those players, the mentality is that you are coming to defend and you not have more men in midfield to control the game for you. Your local coach is now messing Sadi and Ache, and with him I've seen that. Oh gamer, almost said the game where me here, meaning Interlies never ball. Omo beti me a crab ball no, omo beti me a possess it, mini liberty, mini wafa na ekobo. Omo de omo ti me possess ball ne pa. Nti I was say me nya aminu in front of Alasa and Roberto. So the be as a pressure be aba omo so a. Ono beti me screen the back four for them. Na sa pressure na ho na reduce. Obi o show a game against Interlies, that was the plan. But playing against Karela, playing against Elmina Shas, almost about that fluidity football with possessive base. Inti Ken, society are there. When we are efficient, when we are direct, let me go in for that method. And clearly, Benjamin Futuba had to focus last season. So after the games of boy, and the Nutal, everybody thought the boy on out. But under this coach, the boy had just been super. And now he was the man of the match for the Hearts of Oak team. And Aminu is always reliable. Daniel Kodia back to his best. Ubi a referee Maleka Kowa. Ubi a referee. Ken, we munye dumana ya yeka. Na yemu bi bisa usu yebi on the field of play. And it's clearly that is idea Ken Grant eye. And going forward, I feel said the continuity will be there. Remember, some of coach baby Ken. We are a certain area and Hearts of Oak Kubo. That is why I've decided to measure them from the semis. Because semis the Umbebasi have one. And you can say in the last 10 years, team our Wasahas group in Obiani League. So the best teams, if you are dependent on that, then you now see her. Almost pair semis now. That is where I'll assess the Hearts of Oak team very well. But for now, a name you know from Coach Grant and Hearts of Oak team no, for me is a plus. Now I can't what say her. I was talking about now beside him also there. After the Ash Good team game, and I could talk technical bench in the class. And I'm checking the loopholes in the Kotoko team. Into one. Omu said they don't have an efficient right back. I'll bet me add the up in attack to help your team. Because Ken Walker said the game, no, you're monetary. Kotoko is a big club. So you may need a player or better running. No one say bet me. No team has support to attack with crosses. And I say final deliveries. nti omo say emo form na de pokakra nti so continent omo ko on the left side and omo say
Any pressure from Central for the supporters. And I'm going to take his decision on the Amos.
any nipa ba ko pe 3 players nti emi ka say emo so de na Central for 3 players omo ko as good game by no the technical team ye meeting 45 minutes and omo decide one sema making and emo continent omo ko the left side of their defense so what sha na you ban so wusu na eba na boy na sell averagely he was okay for the game so obo but omo say do baby as fatigue akraba until let's give a bad opportunity to play and I ban so wusu continent then they came to midfield say the sika akon person the game the flow no onya le say midfield so obviously the scapegoat should be Conte because or person midfield ni flow one second South Africa na Conte one player obobo with space Semukulu Suna into game against Hilal he was out because the magic square Hilal boy and when Timia Mate coach na nya antidote to be Timia find that solution to that and the coach and you ready so Obebon just first to the ball in front of the back four into say Ghana ball not okay he will be good na baby and what the ball na ba found the be close to in midfield and they know him to be a better player into obviously so what she NC tournament na Conte struggler on TV more said your boy Africa no and said on game on better the transitional play this year no and flows for him into obviously he need to be on the bench into these were the 3 key players on more to team after that good game on decided a second on better into whether it was a pressure from the media whether there was a pressure from management per what I know and these are the facts that I'm stating and on the on my place the game against Mediama obviously beating Mediama 2-0 at home Kotoko and it's a plus for them especially with Yakuba back Yakuba came the moment I have no ball in the confidence crab because when himself push ball back you know me and Sako anymore at least obetimi make something good out of ball e beba no makasa obobo ne cross na the technique behind the ball no can just super meaning said you na game they can very difficult game very difficult game and Ken 11 wonders so na o se Kotoko mo mani ko Ken if
11 wonders no
if Aduana decide to play
and I'm just 11 wonders no so mo ko
okay na second league no mo bi abobi
Obama is saying, Omo game, Omo draw, Omo ye.
I'm sick.
Na team no here Omo yana.
Ken.
Think say ko bobo zo ko bi.
Ken. Bizagara ba wakodo more than 10 times for Kotoko Diana game. If Diana decide to play, Kotoko has no chance. It is a difficult game.
That will be also in so many forms to say.
How many forms?
Diana starts.
Okay, Omo ba ball on the it is Kotoko in form. The only thing that will make Kotoko survive is resilience from the players. We any tactics match. We any tactics match. It is self-motivation from the players in the determination, dedication, commitment from the players now got waiting the end results. Ken Doma me say any tactics, any sika, and now the benya results for them. A place in be decides that we want to be in the semis of this particular competition in a bit painful as I'm here for Africa. I'm here Dia Basro. I'm a club in Niaje. Supporters in Anka Saba Stadium. Opening all that team no and no be any other king. This should be the motivation for the Kotoko players. If you decide to leave it for the player just like that and the coach, can forget.
Mass analysis or you know, it's just a new cry.
Say
Draw there.
Can you don't know? Okay.
Now any got
and I just say no, it is a Diana against Kotoko. Kotoko for about club pool holder.
Bomania draw. And this time they need draw.
Me nkasa Kotoko nya draw. I'm saying that Kotoko be here extra performance. I'm saying no kunya draw doma. Enya de omo ye ne ha no. Okay. They will need extra doma. Oh. Okay. Unless they decide not to play.
Yeah, fancy. Mama me lines to na yema atie for some bremo kakra. 020077. I have 1417. Hey, that's some question. Oh, na some go. And one agada oya yem. So go grab. 02007714. I have 17. 0206. I have 12 19. 0206. I have 12 19. Okay, but he can't be a line out to maybe, but some of Queen Uncle. Sound out your phone. Okay, let me back the first caller. Ali? Ali? Yes, sir. Oh, too bad. So we're to me, and you know, so, my man for caller, we get so ready. Ali? Oh, my, what's a guy? You too, sir. Okay. We have to mean as well. Mamma, who is here? Ali?
Hello, Ken. Good afternoon.
What's a guy?
Hello, Ken.
Yes, I'm a John Cow.